Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unblur Bumble likes. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video now. For the matter, first of all, access your Bumble over here. Once you have done so, you're simply gonna go ahead and find this kind of interface over here in your swiping section. You're gonna go ahead, swipe your profile right to left according to your need. So let's say you have been liked, you know who have liked you, their face, their profile, not just a blurry image. So for that, the first trick would be simply going to your chat section, and then you can see I do not have even a single chat yet. Once you have the chat section, got the chats, what you're gonna do, you're gonna find this matches queue on top, you know, the profile. You can swipe it through and you can see the profiles who you have been matched with and have been liked by. And the other one would be, if you go to this like section, of course you cannot find that. The other would be simply you're gonna go back. Let's say we have swiped and we tap on this in this premium section. If you go, you can see who likes you. You have to get actually premium for you to remove that blurry, and you can see the profiles and the insights and everything, the pictures and stuff. For you to actually see it, you have to get the premium. For that, you can choose either monthly, lifetime, month, week, according to your need, whichever one you prefer. You can take it and then you will be able to see it. That would be it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.